Hi. Hi everyone. Hi Scorpios. How are you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you want to enroll for a one-on-one tarot reading with me related to career, relationship and situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading, anything, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated anklets and bracelets, the reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and I'm also doing vastu for Indian clients. Okay, if you are Indian and if you want a vastu of your houses, or if you want me to check your energies over a video or an on-site visit, the details are given in the description box below. You can reach out to me. Also, one more thing guys, this reading is related to situationship. Since I'm posting it late because a sudden demise happened in my family, so I couldn't do it. So sorry for that. I couldn't upload for 12 days. I couldn't upload any of the readings, so that's why I'm doing a with a different pattern, because like what is the current energies you are dealing with the Scorpios. Okay, so yeah. Okay, the lovers, a lot of love between you and your partner. You'll be lazy this month. Okay, lazy, or you'll be lazy. Two people at a distance. You might, few of the Scorpions might feel a little bit issues into their relationship, but other of the Scorpios will be very good with relationships. Okay, not for all. Okay, so yeah, healing. Your heart chakra is getting healed. Wow. A lot of delays are happening related to a career or a situation or a relationship, whatever you want, a lot of delays are happening with your Scorpios. A lot of stress is there, or disappointments are there related to a situationship. You want a new beginning with your partner, okay, new life, new beginning. Or if you are single, you might take a risk to get into a commitment or a relationship, or you might get married, or something new is starting for you in the relationship front. Okay, or if people are into separation or reconciliation or reunion might happen. Okay, so something Scorpios, few of the Scorpios, if you're dealing with a relationship or a girlfriend boyfriend thing, something new might start into your relationship front. Or if you're single, then a new person or a new energy might enter into your life. Okay, so there is a shock happened recently, or it is about to happen this month. Okay, so just be careful about it. Okay, it might be related to career or relationship. Okay, okay, so you are having dreams. You are having different weird dreams nowadays. You're juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections. Okay, Scorpios, you are waiting for a major solid change into your life, and you are going with the flow in the month of February. You will be going with the flow, but at the same time you are just juggling. You want some major change into your life, Scorpios. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's check it out, your current energies. This is a situation reading. That means that it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Okay, in the month of February, you want to travel, you want to relocate, you want to explore, but that energy has been blocked. Okay, or you might want to shift to a new place, but that energy of shifting or relocating or traveling or exploring has been blocked right now in the month of February. At least you won't be having it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so if you'll be very much spending, like you will be very spendthrift in the month of February. If you are spending a lot, be wiseful of it. Okay, spend very wisely in the month of February. Okay, yes, you'll be into your own power, you'll be into a fiery energy this month. Okay, you'll be releasing all the confusion, problems, tensions, or all whatever juggling problems, tensions, confusion was happening in the past. You will be releasing it in the month of February. This will be very good. Okay, you want something to end. Okay, like you want some same pattern or something which is going on for so long. You want something to end. It might be related to a relationship, it might be related to your career or financial problems, okay, or your career or your job, okay. So you might start a new job, or you are thinking of it to end something or to start something new, but it's not happening. That energy in the month of February, at least, it's been blocked. Like for example, you want to switch the job, but that's not happening. For example, you want to start a new business, that's not happening because energy is blocked universally. For example, you want to start a relationship with someone, that's not happening because the other person is not getting approved. So endings and new beginnings are not happening because universal blockage is there, okay. At least in the month of February it is blocked, okay. In the upcoming months the energies might change, okay. So your intuition level, you need to trust your intuition level. There's a lack of intuition level, okay, in the month of guys. I'm really sorry because someone is calling, and I think, a call is coming. I cannot disconnect the call because it will, okay. So I'm sorry. So you need to trust your intuition level because there is a lack of trust, okay, in that situation. A new beginning, you want new beginning into your financial front, okay. A very much new beginning you want, okay, but it will not happen right now. That new beginning will come after 4 months from now. Like leave February, March, April, May, June. After June your situation will improve financially, Scorpions. Stop overthinking. Now in the month of February you won't overthink much, but you will be ready to take an action in the month of February, okay. Yes, there's a third party situation involved, Scorpios, in the month of February. Like third party interference, or in third party interference might be there in few of the Scorpios life, and you might need to end something, okay, to start something new. I think there's endings and new beginnings happening in the month of February for you, okay. Like not in the month of February, but in the upcoming months. But endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, for sure, okay. Yeah, definitely third party interference is there, okay. It might be third person, third love, or anything. Self love, so you need to focus on your self love and self care as well, okay. You will be very much spiritually awakened in the month of February, okay. So yeah, you want to end something to start something new. You are feeling stuck into a situation, okay. Something is not ending, like karmic cycle, karmic situations are not ending. That's the problem, okay, in the month of February. At least in the upcoming months the energy might change, so something might come to an end or start. Endings and new beginnings, you are waiting for to end something or to start something new. That's the best thing what universe wants to tell you. What universe wants to tell you. Universal message for you, Scorpios, for the month of February. Happiness is my birthright. So you want to stay happy in the month of February, Scorpios, which is very good. My fearless freedom lights up the world. So you are very fearless related to a situation. The third message, there is nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Wow. So you know what your authentic truth is, and you don't give a fuck about anyone, which is very good. It should be like that. You will be trusting yourself and your truth more, okay. I'm just taking 2 more cards, universal messages, okay. So the fourth message is, I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. So whatever your darkness you're facing into your life, universe will solve the problem. Just pray and see the things in the form of love. The next thing, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. Wow, this is a very positive message. In the month of February, you will be very positive. You'll fix certain situations, and if there are advices which I have told you to trust your intuition level and new beginnings are coming, you need to trust and keep faith and keep believing in it, okay. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.